in a backyard. And Jordan just ran my Deus here, shortened up to his height. And this was his first signal that we dug. Hold it up, Andrew.
Hold it by the end of the...
Hold it by this handle right here. Hold it up just like that so we can see. Pretty cool, huh? What was it? It was a rack for cattle?
It's a tightener, not for putting cattle racks together on trucks.
It's a tightener handle rack for putting racks together on cattle trucks? Something like that. Okay. Pretty cool. Alright. Hey everybody, I'm still doing this yard. This is in the back of my grandpa's house where I found my ring last February, and I just found my first old marble here. I don't know how old it is, but it was down a good, you can see there by the digger, maybe 7-8 inches, so pretty cool. And my target's still down in the hole, so I just found this in the process of digging it up. Alright, I'll see you when I get the target up. Yeah, I just got 2 targets out of the same hole roughly. One is a piece of rod of some sort. And the other one is, looks like a spigot for maybe air compressor? I don't know. It was right here off the sidewalk, so, or off the cement. Alright, on to the next target. Alright, I'm out here at some old family property here. I got this nice old house, old barn. It's a place where stuff was corralled here. And I just got my first good target here. Looks like it's an old cinched down buckle. So, pretty cool. Alright, on to the next one. Alright everybody, welcome back to Tough Run Metal Detecting. It's now about 6 o'clock here local time. Down visiting my family, and I got in a little bit of hunting earlier with my kids. And then I also went out to some family property here, as you saw, with an old barn, an old shed. And there was an old loading dock for hauling hay and other stuff. So anyways, here are the results of my hunt. So there's some typical garbage there. Tin, nails, foil, etc. And then here's all the cool stuff I found. So, I mean, some of that's I'm going to toss anyways. But got some kind of door latch there. I got this handle. From what I was told, it was a handle for tightening down cattle truck racks, so pretty cool. There's an old horseshoe again. I found that on the surface. There's 3 old buckles, well 4 old buckles, because that's the one my number 2 kid found today. Found this old handle, or it looks like part of a windshield wiper, old one. It's got some patent numbers on it. I did find this pull tab that had some data on it, so that was pretty cool. I've never found a beaver tail with a design on it, so they've always been smooth. That's my first marble right there. This is a brass piece, something to do with tie rod or something, I don't know, or I don't know, some piece made of brass though. Found a bolt casing, part of a graphite rod, looks like it. See if I can get that to focus there. You can see the break off on the end there. And some washers. Got a couple real nice sounding washers there. That piece of slag that's melted there. Sorry for the washout there. And then some other weird odds and ends, big chunks of iron and a big washer. So anyways, I had a pretty good time hunting. It's pretty chilly out. Ranges all the way from about 20 to about 55 degrees here, so anyways, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I'm just glad to be able to get out and hunt, and found some interesting stuff from a couple different places. So I got out with my kids a little bit, so it was nice. Anyways, I will catch you next time I get out. Alright, thanks for watching.